A very good morning and welcome to English class. And today we are going to read our chapter number 3, that is the oldest is the wisest. So children, let us start reading our chapter. The oldest is the wisest. A certain forest in India was full of banyan trees, which provided shade and shelter for a number of birds, animals, and other living creatures. creatures, creatures. And how will we pronunciate this word? provided, provided. Means in India there was a forest which was full of banyan trees, and those trees gave shade and shelter to a number of birds, animals, and other living creatures. An elephant, a monkey, and a partridge lived near one of the largest of these trees, and in one of those trees an elephant, a monkey, and a partridge lived also. Children, how will you pronunciate this word? Partridge. Partridge. I am repeating again. Partridge. Partridge. Partridge means a brown bird with a round body and a short tail that people hunt for sport or food. And in Hindi, what is the meaning of partridge? Means teeter. They were good friends for a very long time. Means an elephant, a monkey, and a partridge, three of them were very good friends for a very long time. Then one day something happened and they started quarreling among themselves. Quarreling means fighting. And one day what happened, that three of them means an elephant, a monkey, and a partridge, three of them started quarreling with each other. And this went on for several, several means many. And that fighting continued for many weeks and made them all very unhappy. And due to that fighting, all three of them were very unhappy. Unhappy means sad. So children, in this first paragraph, what we studied that in India there was a forest, and that forest was full of banyan trees. And in one of those banyan trees, a monkey, an elephant, and a partridge also lived near one of the largest of these trees. And all three of them were good friends for a very long time. But one day they started fighting among themselves, which continued for many weeks, which makes an elephant, a monkey, and a partridge very sad. Now move to our next paragraph, next line, that is, "It is a pity," said the elephant, "that we don't live peacefully together as before." Children, How will you read this word? Peacefull. Peace, peace, and full, fully, and together we read it as peacefully. Elephant said, why can't we live peacefully together as we lived earlier? Why can't we be good friends once again? Said the monkey. And what the monkey said? That, yes, you are right, elephant. Why can't we be friends once again? Yes, why can't we get back the good old days when we were all so happy? Said the partridge. Then what the partridge said? Partridge said, yes, monkey and elephant, you are absolutely right. Why can't we go back to those days when we were so happy? The elephant thought over the matter, 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 and thought, thought. The elephant thought over the matter and remarked, mark. Then the word becomes remark, and if we add ed, then the word becomes remarked. Remarked means mentioned, yeah, observed, that there was only one way of bringing back peace in the forest. Peace, peace, in the forest. Then when that conversation is going on between this elephant, monkey and the partridge, then elephant thought over the matter and mentioned that there is only one way to bring peace in the forest, कि केवल एक ही तरीका है जिससे हम दोबारा से फॉरेस्ट में पीस मतलब शांति ला सकते हैं. Since, since means because. Since age brings wisdom, wis, wiz and dom, wisdom. Wisdom means intelligence. Since age brings wisdom, he said means elephant, the oldest among us should rule over the other two. Then what the elephant said? That as age brings intelligence, that is why the oldest should rule over the other two. Then the elephant, what is the meaning of that line? That कि जैसे जैसे हमारी एज बढ़ती है तो हमारी इंटेलिजेंस, हमारी सोचने की शक्ति वो भी क्या होती रहती है, बढ़ती जाती है. दैट इज़ वाई एलिफेंट सेड कि जो भी हम तीनों में से जो भी ओल्डेस्ट होगा, जो भी एज में बड़ा होगा, वो ही क्या करेगा, हम बाकी दो जन पे क्या करेगा, रूल मतलब राज करेगा. हम बाकी दो जन पे वही राज करेगा. हम दो जन को उसी का ही कहना सुनना होगा, क्योंकि वो क्या है, ओल्डेस्ट है, एज में बड़ा है. और एज ब्रिंग्स विजडम, और जैसे जैसे एज बढ़ती है इंटेलिजेंस भी बढ़ती जाती है. ये एलिफेंट का कहना था कि एलिफेंट, मंकी और पार्ट्रिज तीनों में से जो भी एज में बड़ा होगा, हम बाकी के दो जने उसी का ही कहना मानेंगे. एन एक्सीलेंट आइडिया, EXXCELL, सेल, एक्सेल, and LENT, lent, excellent means brilliant. What a brilliant idea, said the monkey. But how can we find out which one of us is the oldest? Then what the monkey said? That yes, your idea is very brilliant, very excellent, but who will tell us that who is the oldest among three of us. मंकी ने एलिफेंट को क्या कहा कि आप तुम्हारा आइडिया तो बहुत एक्सीलेंट है, बहुत अच्छा है, पर हमें कौन बताएगा कि हम तीनों में से ओल्डेस्ट कौन है. ओल्डेस्ट मीन्स सबसे बड़ा कौन है हम तीनों में से, ये हमें कौन बताएगा. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस स्टोरी शोज हाउ being wise and humble is the key to success and prosperity. So children, let us summarize the story which we read once again. जो अभी हमने पढ़ा पेज आज स्टोरी का, उसको फिर से रिकॉल करेंगे. तो स्टोरी क्या थी कि an elephant, a monkey and a partridge were the best of friends. All three of them were the friends for a very long time, but they started fighting among themselves, which continued for many weeks. The elephant believed that age brings wisdom, therefore the oldest among should rule over the other two. So children, that is the story which we read today, and rest of the pages we will do later on. Now let us children assess ourselves how much we understood. जो हमने अभी स्टोरी पढ़ी वो हमें कितनी समझ में आई. Let us assess. And the question is, which three animals were the best friends? Which three animals were the best friend? कौन से तीन एनिमल्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड थे? Yes, an elephant, a monkey and a partridge were the best friends. Now move to the next. Why were they not friends any longer? Any longer मतलब अब. Why were they not friends now? And what will be the answer of this question? Why were they not friends now? They were not friends any longer because they started fighting among themselves. क्योंकि उन्होंने आपस में ही लड़ना शुरू कर दिया था. And how will we say this sentence in English? That they started fighting among themselves. Now move to the next question. What was decided to help them become friends once again? What was decided to help them become friends once again? दोबारा फ्रेंड बनने के लिए उन्होंने क्या डिसाइड किया, क्या सोचा? They decided that the oldest among should rule over the other two. कि जो भी ओल्डेस्ट होगा वो बाकी के दो लोगों पर क्या करेगा? रूल करेगा, राज करेगा. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? द आंसर विल बी दैट द ओल्डेस्ट अमंग शुड रूल ओवर द अदर टू. Now let us summarize the difficult words along with their meanings of the page related to the page which we read now. So the first difficult word is provided. I am repeating again. Provided. Provided means gave. Next difficult word is quarreling. Quarreling means fighting. And next difficult word is several. several means many. Now move to fourth difficult word, and that is peacefully. I am repeating again, peacefully. And what is the meaning of peacefully? Means harmoniously. Har, H-A-R, har, M-O-N-I, moni. Harmoniously. Harmoniously. And the fifth word is remarked. Remarked means observed or mentioned. Move to the next. Excellent. Excellent means brilliant. Wise. Wise means intelligent. Let us repeat once again. Provided, quarreling, several, peacefully, remarked, excellent, wise, gave, fighting, many, harmoniously, observed, mentioned, brilliant, intelligent. Now move to the word meanings of those difficult words. Provided means gave. Quarreling. Quarreling means fighting. Several. Several means many. Peacefully means harmoniously. Remarked. Remarked means observed, mentioned. Excellent. Excellent means brilliant. Wise. Wise means intelligent. So children, these are the difficult words along with their meanings of the page which we read today. Now move to the true false. The friends were really quarrelsome. Quarrelsome. The friends were really quarrelsome. The friends. Who were the friends? An elephant, a monkey and a partridge. Three of them were really quarrelsome. क्या तीनों ही हमेशा लड़ते रहते थे? उनका नेचर ही लड़ने का था? No, that is false. क्योंकि पहले तो वो क्या रहते थे? बहुत अच्छे से रहते थे, पर बीच में उनकी क्या हो गई? फाइटिंग. That is why we can't say that they were really quarrelsome, कि वो लड़ाके थे या हर किसी के साथ लड़ाई करते रहते थे. Move to the next. They were happy after being separated. 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 SEP. Sep. RATE. Rate. Separate. And if we write D also, then the word becomes separated. Separated मतलब अलग हो जाना. They were happy after being separated. क्या वो अलग हो जाने के बाद happy थे? No. That is why this sentence will be false. Now move to the next part, that is fill in the blanks. And the first sentence is, the forest in the story was full of. The forest in the story was full of banyan trees. And the second one is, an elephant, a dash, and a partridge were the best friends. It means we have to write down here a monkey, an elephant, a monkey, and a partridge were the best friends. And third one is, age brings dash. Children, what brings age? Age brings wisdom. Age brings wisdom. So children, let us repeat the filling in the blanks. The forest in the story was full of banyan trees. An elephant, a monkey, and a partridge were the best friends. Age brings wisdom. Now move to the activity. That is the activity which you have to do in your English notebooks, and the activity is draw and color the pictures of three friends in the story. मीन्स जो स्टोरी आज आपने रीड करी है उसमें 3 फ्रेंड्स थे. You have to draw and color those 3 friends in your notebooks. And who were the 3 friends? An elephant, a monkey and a partridge. It means you have to draw a monkey, an elephant and a partridge, and then color also. And if you can't draw the picture of elephant, monkey and partridge, then you can paste it also in your notebooks. So children, I hope you understood what we read today. Thank you.